Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Jira project notifications in Atlassian Cloud, beginner guide step by step clearly. To disable Jira project notifications in Atlassian Cloud, first, log into your Atlassian account. Navigate to your desired Jira project from the dashboard. On the left sidebar, find and click on Project Settings. Scroll down to locate the Notifications section and select it. In the Notifications settings, you will see the current notification scheme that is applied to your project. Click on the link to the notification scheme to view its details. Once you're in the notification scheme, you have the option to edit it. Choose the specific events for which you want to change the notifications. For each event, you can decide which roles or users receive notifications. To remove users or roles, simply click the Remove option next to their name. If you want to completely disable notifications for a specific event, ensure no users or roles are selected. After making changes, be sure to save the updated notification scheme. Return to your project settings to confirm that the changes have taken effect. Test the configuration by creating a test issue or transitioning an existing one. This will help you verify that notifications are no longer being sent as per your adjustments. If you want further customization, consider creating a new notification scheme. This allows you to tailor notifications according to your team's needs. You can then associate the new scheme with your project if desired. Review the notifications periodically to ensure they align with your evolving team dynamics. Congratulations, you have successfully disabled Jira project notifications in Atlassian Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.